Hello students, Sai Ram. Now we are going to learn about multiplication of matrices. In case of multiplication of matrices, the product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Means in case of multiplication of two matrices, the multiplication of two matrices exists if number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If a matrix A is of order m cross n and matrix B of order n cross P, means order of matrix A is m cross n and order of matrix B is n cross P. Now multiplication of matrix A and B exists if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, then multiplication exists. Clear? Now if A is equal to A is a matrix Aij of order m cross n and matrix B is equal to Bjk of order n cross P, then the ith row of A is Ai1, Ai2 dash dash Ain and the kth column of B is B1k, B2k dash 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 Bnk. Then Cik is equal to Ai1 into B1k plus Ai2 plus B2k plus Ai3 plus B3k up to dash dash Ai n into Bnk will be equal to summation of Aij into Bjk from j is equal to 1 to n. For example, and also the matrix C will be equal to of order m cross B and the matrix C will be equal to Cik of order m cross P is the product of A and B. Clear? Now see the example. If matrix C is equal to row wise 1 minus 1 2 0 3 4, and matrix D is row wise having elements 2 7 minus 1 1 5 minus 4. Then the product CD is defined, and it is given by CD is equal to matrix C into matrix D. Now, in case of multiplication of matrices, we have to multiply it row by column. Row by column means we have to multiply the corresponding elements of rows with the corresponding elements of columns. So, product of these two matrices will be entry in the first row first column. Here you have to multiply corresponding element of first row of first matrix with the corresponding elements of first column of second matrix. Means you have to multiply one with 2 will be equal to this one, then multiply minus 1 with minus 1 will be equal to this one, then multiply 2 with 5 will be equal to 2 into 5 and will be equal to 13. Clear? Now entry of first row second column. Now we have to multiply first row with second column, means corresponding element of first row with corresponding elements of second column. Means you have to multiply 1 with 7 will be equal to 1 into 7, then minus 1 with 1, then minus 1 into 1, then two with minus 4, 2 into minus 4, which will be equal to minus 2. Clear? Similarly, entry of second row first column, you have to multiply second row with first column, means corresponding elements of second row with the corresponding elements of first column. Now entry of second row second column will be you have to multiply element of corresponding element of second row with the corresponding element of second column will be equal to this one. Then you have to product of the matrix C and D, which will be this one. Clear? Now other example, two matrices A and B are given. Matrix A having elements row wise 1, -2, 3, -4, 2 and 5, and matrix B having elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 1. Then find AB and BA, and also show that AB is not equal to BA. Also show that AB is not equal to BA. Clear? So now, as we know that in case of multiplication of two matrices, multiplication of matrices exists if number of column of first matrix is equal to number of row of second matrix. So check here, element order of matrix A is 2 by 3 and order of matrix B is 3 by 2. So order of matrix A is 2 by 3 and order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Check number of column in matrix A is 3 and number of rows in matrix B is also 3. So multiplication will be exist. Clear? And order of product will be 2 by 2. 2 by 2 because 2 and 2. Clear? Now you can find easily. So here A is 2 by 3 matrix and B is 3 by 2 matrix. Since AB and BA are both defined and are matrices of order 2 by 2 and 3 by 3, means order of matrix AB will be 2 by 2 and order of matrix BA will be 3 by 3. Now firstly find AB. To find AB, you have to multiply corresponding element of first row with the corresponding element of first column of matrix B. Clear? Then corresponding element of first row with corresponding element of second column. Clear? Similarly, multiply corresponding element of second row with corresponding element of first column. Then corresponding element of second row with corresponding element of second column. Clear? then you can find AB. Clear? Now find BA. Similarly you can find BA. Multiply first row with first column, then first row with second column, then first row with third column. Clear? Similarly second row with first column, then second row with second column, then second row with third column. Clear? Similarly third row with first column, then third row with second column, then third row with third column. Clear? Then you can find BA, and we find here AB is not equal to BA. Clear? Now properties of multiplication of matrices. So properties of multiplication of matrices possesses the following properties which we state without proof. First, the associative law. Associative law, AB into C is equal to A into BC, where A, B and C are three matrices. Now distributive law, its first part, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and its second part is A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Clear? Now see next example. Here matrix A is given. Matrix A is row wise 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1, 4 2 1. Then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equal to O. Now in this question, firstly we have to find A square. A square will be equal to A into A, means matrix A into matrix A. Now you can multiply, then you can find A square. After finding A square, find A cube. A cube will be equal to A into A square. Clear? So A into A square. Then you can find A cube. After finding A cube, put the values of A cube, A and I. which will be equal to this one. Because given matrix is of order 3 by 3, so you have to consider the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Clear? Now put the value of A cube, then 23 into A, then 40 into I. In case of multiplication of matrix with any scalar number, each element of matrix will be multiplied with the scalar. Means here each element of matrix A will be multiplied with 23. This one, this one, this one. Clear? Similarly, in case of 40i also, you have to multiply each element of identity matrix with 40. Then you have minus 40 0. You have 40 0, because here minus sign, so you can write it plus minus 40 0 0 0 minus 40 0 0 0 minus 40. Clear? Now by solving this, the result will be a null matrix. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? So okay students, now you have to solve the questions related to multiplication of matrices. Okay students, Sai Ram.